Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl XO Kara, but you could call me Kara, and I'm back with another freaking video. And today, as you can see, we have a clothing haul, a summer lookbook. A lot of brands are featured. We have H&M, we got Boohoo, we have So Real, we got Fashionnova, Prettylittlething. So we kind of got a little mix of everything. So I'm just going to be showing you guys some of the pieces I've bought. These are some pieces that I have bought over, the last few months. Some pieces I've even had for a year and still haven't worn. So this is just to give you guys an idea for summer. And a lot of this stuff is actually still on our website, so if I could find any of the direct links, because some of the stuff I did just buy, so I know that those are still on the website. So if you guys want me to link the outfits down below, I could do so. And so yeah, we're just about to get into this video. I'm not going to make the intro super duper long. Y'all already know what we came here to do, and y'all already know the assignment. And the assignment is A+, okay? So we're about to get right into this clothing haul, and I will see y'all when I have on the first outfit. Okay, we're back, you guys, as you can see, and I'm here with the first outfit. And right now I have on this top from Prettylittlething. It says black is my happy color, because it is. I love wearing black. I actually just like spiced up my closet by adding extra color into it. But yes, black is definitely my happy color. I just feel like black is such a simple, go-to color because it matches with everything. So it's kind of easy to pair, different colors with it. So this is the top, and I have it tied in the back. You can also tie it in the front just to give it like a little edge, because the shirt, I'm going to untie it for right now, but the shirt is on the bigger side, as y'all can see. And then trying to tie it by yourself is like a headache, but I got it. And then so the skirt I had got from Boohoo. It was pretty inexpensive. It's just like the material, it's not like a cotton material, but it's not like a spandexy material either. It kind of feel like, I don't know, like a little scratchy. And then the bag I got from Kate Spade. It was a birthday gift from my brother and his girlfriend. And then for the shoes, which you guys will be able to see the bottom half of my outfit somewhere on the sides, as y'all already see it. But for the shoes, I just got some Adidas, regular Adidas. They're pretty like dusty, but this is the look I was going for when I wore this outfit. You guys might have already seen it on Instagram, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me at XO Kara with 2 A's at the end. And the socks I got from Amazon, and they're just like, the little church socks, the little Easter socks with the frilly ends at the bottom. So it's definitely a look. And again, these outfits, all of these outfits are pretty inexpensive, and they're super cute, so why not? So I'm about to get ready to go into the next outfit, and I'll be back. Hey you guys, I'm back. Yo, when I tell y'all, it's like so hot in here. It's so hot, and I can't have the air on because it messes with the audio. So like, I'm literally sweating bullets while I'm filming this clothing haul. But we're gonna get into this next look, which I got from So Real Boutique. I guess it's So Real Boutique, but shop Jisoo So Real, his clothing line. I can't remember the name of this set, but it's in orange, and I'm a little bit upset because I recently wore this on a trip to Houston and NOLA. You guys probably seen the picture on Instagram in this outfit as well. And when I wash my clothes, the key to a trip is washing your clothes before you leave. That way, you unpack and you don't have to drag or procrastinate washing your clothes. But got a detergent stain, so I still wanted to come on here and show you guys this outfit, even though I'm probably never going to wear this outfit again. Probably just be like a house loungewear. But yeah, it's just a cute top, and it has So Real on the sides. It is reflective, and then when you turn around on the back, it has So Real again on the back, and it is reflective as well. So yeah, the SR right here in the front too, that's also reflective. I mean, you won't really see it unless the flash is on, so there's that. But to pair it off, I paired it with some regular Air Force Ones, and I feel like this outfit would be cute with some regular Tory Burch sandals if you guys wanted to like look a little bit more girly. So yeah, that's it to this outfit. Not really much. It's a bright orange. I love the way orange complements my skin, but other than that, it's really good. The one thing I will say I don't like about this set is that it makes me look really, like, really pouchy. Let me see this right here. It makes me look really pouchy, and you know, I don't really like that kind of look. I guess like if I'm taking pictures, you know, there's ways that I can hide the, you know, the pouchy look, but yeah, it's like I'm got a kangaroo patch or something. Kangaroo pouch, that's what it is. But yeah, other than that, I really like it. So that's this outfit, and we're gonna move on to the next one. Okay, you guys, I am back with the third outfit, and right now we have on a top from the H&M, and it's from the men's department, the men's side, and it just says nothing but net, and then it has the same thing underneath, so it's written 2 times. And yeah, it's a size extra large. I believe it is big, but like I kind of did like a fake knot in the back because this one was like really hard to do by myself. But I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back of the shirt. So the back of the shirt, it has this design. Yeah, I can't really see it, but I'm pretty sure it's people play basketball, I think. But yeah, and then I paired it with these black shorts I had got from Fashionnova. These are in the size 1X. I will try to find these shorts so I can link them down below. And then on my feet, again, we have Air Forces, and then I had got like some Hanes socks, and I kind of like scrunched them down so I can get like, you know, a super cute sporty look. Like I feel like this is a vibe, and if you wanted to, like if you wanted to wear this as a night out, you could even pair it with like some strappy black heels and, you know, rock out on some cute but yet chill vibes. Like, I'm sorry, but like who doesn't love it? Like, it's super comfortable, and yeah, and the material of the shirt is like really good. It's not cheap or like flimsy or anything like that, and it's definitely not see-through, so that's a plus, especially when you're wearing white. And I like that the pants have the stresses in them, and if I wanted to like pull the pockets down to like up the look even more. Hold on, where's the pocket at? Hands down, and you know, have like the cute Daisy Dukes look, or you know, either or. Well, they're a little one-sided right now, but y'all get the gist of what I'm trying to say. Like, there's multiple ways that you can wear this outfit to cater it to your sense of style and what you like to wear. So on to the next. All right, y'all, so right now we have on this top from Fashionnova, it says LA on the side, and then as well as on the back it says Los Angeles. And this is a cotton t-shirt. There's not much to this fabric. Like, it doesn't feel like anything expensive, and like I wouldn't say like it's cheap where you can rip it, but it's just like a regular cotton t-shirt. Like, I know y'all know what I'm talking about, like when y'all used to be at school and they used to be like handing out them little t-shirts and stuff like that, the unisex sizes and stuff like that. It feels like that material, so it's not much to it, you know, super inexpensive. And then I paired it with these tweed, I will say, I don't know, they feel like tweed, but I paired them with like these tweed plaid pants, and they don't have a button, so I guess you could call them leggings because they don't have buttons or pockets anywhere, so I guess you could just call them leggings. But they are a thick material, so they feel like pants, and they're super stretchy, super comfortable, and it's the Macy's backstage. So I want to say I got these pants for only like $13. If you guys need like a quick place, like if you guys need to get a quick outfit for like a dinner or, you know, job interview or anything like that, I'd highly recommend Macy's backstage because they have super affordable clothing, and it's name brand for cheap. Oh, my earring fell out. But for like really cheap. And then I paired it with these Air Forces as well. I only paired it with it because you've probably seen this picture on Instagram as well too, and I just paired it with this. But you guys can pair the shoes like however you want to. If you want to wear it with heels, you can. If you want to wear sneakers like me, that's cool too, whatever you like. But yeah, I just really like this outfit. I'm really getting into the nudes. I don't really buy nude clothing like that, but I feel like it drowns out my skin tone, but this actually looks really good on me, so I have no complaints. So we are on our way to the next outfit. Okay, you guys, we are back, and this is one of my favorite outfits out of all the outfits that I'm showing you guys today. I think this is super duper cute and super duper stylish, and it's just definitely giving off, you know, rich vibes, classy vibes, just all of the above. I'm really loving the chain detail on the collar, as well as the chain detail on the pants, and we cannot forget about the chain detail on the shoes. Like, you would have thought I got this set all together the way I matched it. The way I pieced it together, you would have thought I bought this whole entire thing from top to bottom together, but no, I didn't. So this is a set, and the set is from Fashionnova. Now, this is a sweater material, but the thing is, because I actually did wear this outfit, I just didn't get any pictures in it. So hence, I'm going to be wearing the outfit again. So it's like a sweater material, but it's super duper breathable. Like, when I tell you guys, like, I was not hot not one bit. I was not hot not one bit, and it's super breathable, really cool, and it's not like, you know, leaving you feeling all hot and sticky and muggy and whatnot. So it is high-waisted. It does come up to the waist, and the top is cropped, as you guys can see. And then I paired it with this bag I got from, I want to say Marshalls or Ross, one of the two, Marshalls or Ross. But you know, there's always good finds in both of them stores. Like, if you ain't hip, sis, get hip. Don't sleep on them, period. So yeah, and I just think like this outfit is like super duper cute. So if you don't want to wear it a crossbody, you also have the option to wear it as a regular handbag. The only thing I don't like about it is that the straps do not come off, but it kind of adds, like, you know, a little flair to it, or whatever the case may be. So this is this outfit, and y'all, this is like my favorite outfit out of all the pieces, because it's just giving very much classy. Like, you can wear this to brunch, you just wear this to the cookout, you can wear this to the club. It's just a universal, cute, classy outfit, and I'm here for it. So we're just going to move on to the next one, and I'll be back. So I just noticed that I didn't even tell you guys where I got the shoes from in the last outfit. So I got the shoes from off Saks Fifth, so you know, like Saks Fifth, and then like all of the discounted stuff that's out of season. I got it from there. They're Karl Lagerfeld. Those are the shoes, and they're super duper comfortable, and again, I love the chain detail, and it just fit well with the outfit. So we're just going to move on to this outfit, and right about now I don't have a bag for this outfit, so we're just going to rock out without a bag. But this top, I got everything that I have on. I'm just gonna let you guys know that now. It's from Fashionnova, from, you know, my top down to my shoes. So the bodysuit, I just have like this, you know, this white bodysuit, and it has like, it's ribbed as well, but it also has like the shoulder pad, you know, top at the detail. So it's like a muscle tee, almost kind of sort of like the one I showed you guys from H&M, but it's super duper comfortable, and it definitely like hugs you, it snatches you, and it's true to size. So just to turn around, we have the chain detail at the top as well, and these are the jeans, and I love the way they fit. I feel like they, you know, shape me very nicely. I don't really have a butt, so like, there's nothing I can do about that. But yeah, so the pants I definitely do love, and I like, see what I'm talking about, like, versus the shorts from the Sovril versus these high waist pants. Like, I still have, you know, a little pouch right here, a little kangaroo pouch, but it's not as noticeable. It's not as noticeable. I feel like the orange one, the orange suit, made me look really more plumpy. Like, it made me look more plump, if that makes sense. And then for the shoes, I just have like these really cute plaid platform sandals, and they're so freaking cute. They're like the tweed type of material as well, and I just can't wait to wear this outfit out. Like, somebody need to invite me to brunch. Like, where are they? Let me pull up. Okay. So yeah, this is definitely like a bottomless mimosa day, or, you know, a cute museum. I honestly, you can even walk in the park in this, like a picnic, something. I just feel like this outfit is just like super chill, super cute. Lunch, happy hour, anytime. Like, I just feel like this outfit, you can wear it at any time. Like, there's multiple occasions for this outfit, and it's really cute and it's really comfortable. And I hope you guys like this one. This is another favorite of mine. I think it's the shoes. Like, it's definitely the shoes for me. I'm just going to give y'all, like, it's definitely the shoes for me. Like, I love the shoes. They're so cute. So we're going to move on to the last and final outfit, and I will be back to close out this video as well. Okay, y'all, so I'm back for the last and final outfit. So right now I have on this jumpsuit, and it is made by Jaded London, but I did buy it from Dolls Kill. And I would recommend, I don't think this is on their site anymore, but I would recommend that you buy directly through Jaded London. There's just like this whole bunch of things that I've seen with Dolls Kill and them not crediting, you know, the creators of the original pieces who made these. I don't know how true that is, but it's always best to buy directly through the website instead of a third party. So yeah, so I have this jumpsuit, and it's like a graffiti type print jumpsuit, and it's really cute. As you guys can see, it says Hottie, and that's on period, but it's just a really nice jumpsuit, and it shapes you out really well. I'm going to turn around to the back, but please don't mind like the way the strings are, because it's just me and so I can't untwist them. But this is how it looks in the back, as you guys can see. You know, my little rose. But this is the outfit, and that's how it fits. So yeah, I really like it. It's like a spandexy material, so it really stretches. This is size 12. I normally wear a 14. So as you can see, like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but like it has like, you know, like that spandexy material that, and it has like graphics on it. When it stretches out, like the graphics kind of get like white or whatever. So it's not like that all around. Like at the top it's fine, but around the thigh area right here and on the side right here, and as well as the butt, you can definitely see where it's starting to light up to look, you know, small. So girl, got one water a day to do the trick, period. But yeah, so I really like it, and I also paired it with these shoes. They have the same color as they do in the jumpsuit, and I also got these from Dolls Kill as well. I got these at the same time. But yeah, so that's this outfit, and I'm going to change back into my regular clothes, and I'll be back to finish off this video. Guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys liked some of the looks that I picked out for you guys. And yeah, some of the links to the clothes will be linked in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out in case you want to buy any of the looks that I have. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at XOKara, where you can see how I pose in some of these pictures, I mean in some of these outfits and whatnot. So yeah, that concludes the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.